Hello, welcome to SAPSPHERE. This is a tech tips series, and today we will look at UI tips. So there are two things that you can do. It's brand your system and change the logo. Branding is something that is not activated by default. You need to follow the explanation given in the SAP note that is listed here. So you can access it if you have a support access with a S user. If not, I detail below the steps to follow. So considering you have a Windows operating system, from the start menu, you need to type the command regedit or registry edit and launch the corresponding program that displays. And once in there, you have to follow what the actual note, SAP note, is explaining. So depending on whether you are on 32 or 64 bits, this example is on 64, you have to add the following keys as explained in the note. So I'm not going to read all this, but you will find all the details just below. And then this screenshot shows how it looks. From a 64-bit system, you go to the SAP general appearance, and then you have the branding image where you need to specify where to find the actual logo, whatever you want to display in the title bar. Then you also have to specify branding image read-only, yes or no, so the 0 value is important here. And then you have the two others that are specified in the note are the use branding image set to 1 and use branding image read-only set to 0. And then once you've done all these changes, you restart your SAP logon and you go to options as displayed in the picture below. And what you will see if you choose to go to branding under visual design, you will see that the branding is now activated, and you will see the path that is actually specified for picking up the logo image. On this example, we see fritsap.com. It will appear at the right of the title bar. This note is available also under this page and as a PDF format. So all the details are explained exactly like I was showing up in the previous page with the registry edit values that needs to be added. Now, if you want to change your logo, this is maybe the second step after you've entered into branding the appearance of the SAP system. Changing the logo on the right-hand side that appears on the initial screen, you need to follow some steps, and they are actually directly accessible in the menu when you select Extra and then Administration Information. And from there, you have a pop-up that displays the explanation to follow. And it says to put your company logo in the right-hand side of the initial screen, put your picture in the database with the transaction SMW0. Choose binary data and options maybe like GIF format for the format of the actual picture. Then you have to put a record with the picture name in the key start image, and that can be found in the table SSM_cust, and you access this table in the view maintenance transaction SN30. And then you can adjust the picture to the window size automatically or center it in the right-hand side of the initial screen. So you have to specify whether you resize the image, yes or no value in this table, SSM_cust. You can deactivate the picture globally so that no one sees it with hide start image equal yes in the table SSM_cust as well. User-specific picture display settings are then ignored. So now let's go to the demo video of SMW to show you exactly how to do this logo changing.